Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. So I'll be showing you on iPad how can you do this. So first of all guys, you have to open browser and you just need to guys open roblox.com. Go to roblox.com. It will take you to the home page. Now guys, first of all you have to tap on this three bar over here and you just need to go to in avatar, tap on avatar. Now guys, you have to tap on double A over here and just enable the request desktop website. Now once you enable guys, once you here guys, now if you want to wear multiple accessories, you have to tap on accessories here and go to face accessories. And now you can see that I already equipped both accessories. How did I do that? See, if I unselect the one of them and trying to select again, you can see that it doesn't work. So how did I that, or how did I wear two accessories earlier? So basically if the equipping multiple accessories and here are the same steps, you don't have to worry about that. If I go to here guys, you can see that I can only select one here right now. So the steps are very similar, similar for the accessories, and here you just need to guys hold a new accessories, copy the link address and just open a new tab from here, paste your ID or URL link address here and just copy the asset ID from here. And now you guys have to go back to avatar page and tap on advanced link and tap on SSID and tap on save button and save again, and your two hairs will be selected. So that's how you can select multiple hairs, and you have to repeat the same steps for the accessories as well if you want to equip multiple accessories. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.